Introducing Tiger&Rose, the best true wireless stereo earbuds reinvented through fashion. Bold, premium, perfect, and diverse. With the high-end material and special design of Tiger&Rose, you're born to stand out. It can perfectly fit in your ears at any time. Tiger&Rose cuts out the noise around you, elevating your soundtrack like never before. The touch-sensitive surface allows you to control Tiger&Rose with simply taps. It's true wireless stereo, so you can use either side independently. Boost by IPX5 water resistance. And a long-lasting charging case. Tiger&Rose is your best workout companion. Tiger&Rose, made for music, born for love.
Hello, voice cue.
Hello, voice cue. Play music. Next song. Hello, voice cue. Kharbon.
Voice cue.
Music inspires us, fuels our workouts, our adventures, and our dreams. Built to ignite your passion, Catalyst provides the perfect wireless sport earbud experience. It's a symphony of form, function, and fashion. Immersive listening experience. We equipped Catalyst with a precision-tuned hybrid driver setup, pairing 2 balanced armature drivers with 2 dynamic drivers. The balanced armature drivers isolate high-end frequencies, while the dynamic drivers act as a built-in subwoofer, providing a bass that you can feel. Sweat and water damage are the #1 reason earbuds break. So we went ahead and coated every single internal part of Catalyst with proprietary hydrophobic solution. This makes Catalyst so sweat-proof that you can dunk them underwater for 30 minutes and they'll still function like new. Everyone's ears are different, and getting the right fit is essential. We addressed fit and stability on 3 fronts. First, we worked with one of the most esteemed PhD audiologists in the country to design an earbud housing that's smaller, which in turn lowers the center of gravity in your ear and fits both large and small ears more comfortably. We developed a weightless stabilization system, 2 different low-profile earbud stabilizers, each ergonomically optimized to comfortably lock into your ears. In total, Catalyst provides 144 unique combinations of stabilizers and ear tips, allowing you to achieve the perfect custom fit for your ears.
I don't see them ever falling out.
They fit so well.
To ensure that Catalyst keeps up with your active life, we specifically tooled 3 batteries, including a mobile charging clip that magnetically attaches to Catalyst to provide you that extra juice when you need it most. Catalyst provides 2.5 times the battery life of the most popular sport earbuds. On top of that, we used a special noise-isolating microphone that's been specifically tuned to identify, isolate, and eliminate background noise so that your voice will be crystal clear in any environment. The bottom line is that wireless earbuds are ugly. We built Catalyst knowing that our customers wanted something that not only meets their needs functionally, but it makes the right statement.
I would wear them around.
These things are really, really sharp, really clean.
At every turn, we work with fashion bloggers to ensure that Catalyst exudes that transcending class with which you live and be the perfect accessory for your journey.
This project is the culmination of 7 years of research, passion, and love. Every single detail has been considered, and Catalyst delivers on all fronts. We need your help to bring Catalyst to life. Back us now and be among the first to get Catalyst at an exclusive discount through Kickstarter. Together, we can transform the future of wireless earbuds.
Siri, when is it going to stop raining? I just got done with my run. Let me give you a call back while I get ready.